I always think about my childhood and how I got interested in research in the first place, or science or biology, was spending time in the woods or in the backyard finding bugs and discovering stuff, or looking under a microscope for the first time saying, wow, check this out. Having a research lab kind of allows me to relive those childhood moments of discovery quite often. Not only is it fun, but I think we are able to make differences in the work that we do that ultimately translates back into the clinic. I'm Jae Cho. I'm the head of pediatric neurology at OHSU Dornbecker Children's Hospital. I think medicine just in general is incredibly interesting. But also as a scientist, I think one of my goals is to try and enter into fields where there isn't a lot known. The brain is certainly this wide open territory where a lot of our understanding is still to be discovered. I get a lot of kicks out of showing kids pictures of their brain. A lot of the kids have an MRI before they come into the clinic. It's not every day you get to actually see what's inside your head. Being a father myself really helps me put perspective on what parents are going through. I'll be the first to admit, when my kids get sick, all of my medical knowledge goes out the window. But there was one patient that I cared for who came into the clinic. He was almost the exact same age as my twins at the time, and was saying the exact same things as they were, interested in the exact same things that they were, even almost looked very similar to my kids. But yet he came in with these subtle symptoms that indicated something was wrong with his brain, and it turns out that he had a medulloblastoma, a brain tumor. Being a parent myself, I always try to put myself in the parent's shoes and remind all of the faculty in my division and all of the fellows that we train here, no matter how hard you're working and no matter how long of a day that you just had, try to put yourself in the parent's shoes.